Hi students, today I'd like to show you a tutorial on how to access Google Classroom on ClassLink. So what you want to do first is log on to ClassLink, and if you don't remember, you can check my website on a previous tutorial on how to do that. Um, Meanwhile, I'm going to move forward here and assume that you've already accessed it and you remember how to do the steps. So once you're logged in, you're going to click right here on the Google Apps. I'm going to click that. And there is a variety of things that are available. I want to go into the Google Classroom. And once we're in here, you can see that I'm borrowing Lucas Lynn's account right now. He's never gone to this page yet. No one has yet. So I'm just using his as an example. If you click down here, oh, I'm going to go back. Sorry about that. There's other options, like if you have a brother or sister, their email accounts might be saved there, and you want to click on yours, and then I will click on continue. In this case, I am a student, and over here I'm going to select join because I'm part of the Room 9 class, and over here it'll highlight and pop up little hints or clues as to what you can do. Right now I'm going to just say, okay, got it. And then in this little section here, you can see that I have already posted an assignment. So I'm going to click that. And there are instructions on the assignment here. So maybe sometimes I might just ask you to comment, and here, see, the notification is popping up and it's asking to turn it in. So I'm going to say got it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the instructions here and pretend that I already read it. I already watched the assignment. So let's say I already watched Read the Book Lemmings. So I'm going to click on, if you look right here on the right hand corner, it says your work, and it shows that it's assigned. I don't want to turn it in yet because I haven't even looked at the assignment. So what I'm going to do is click on it. And what you're going to do is you're going to I'm gonna say editors can now see your page history. The editor in this case would be the teacher, and I might share this with Principal Pack. So I'm gonna say understand, and then I'm gonna read the title here, Online Journal Response. Read the book Lemmings. I have some instructions written here, and what you wanna do is after you watch the read aloud on Epic, I want you to think about an opening and answer the question, what did you like about the book? And then write up just one sentence is fine, and then add one detail from the story and maybe expand on that detail and provide an example. Same thing for detail number 2. You want to explain your detail, and then so that it'll support your opening sentence about what you liked about the book, and provide another detail and have one more sentence that's your closing thought on Read the Book Lemmings. After you're finished with that, once you're done, you can go up to, if you look on the top right hand corner here, you can turn in your assignment. Once you click that, it tells the teacher or the administrator who might be looking at this, such as Mr. Principal Pack, and they'll say, oh, he turned in the assignment, and and then I will be able to access this. I know that we haven't been able to be in the classroom, so this is one way that I wanted to check your guys' thinking and learning while we are doing our distant learning from at home. And so I hope you try your best, and I look forward to hearing your responses. Have a great day.